So what if you could earn $900 a day with just a 2 hours worth of work? Excuse me. No stress, no commuting, just plenty of time to enjoy life. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. I'm about to show you what I'm about to show you is exactly how to do that. So stick with me for just a few minutes while I break down how you can start this beginner friendly business today, even if you have zero experience. So let's be real. Most of us are stuck in a job that is draining out our time and energy. Whether you're commuting to work every single day or dealing with stress and barely finding time for your family or hobbies, it's a struggle. So many people feel trapped in their 9 to 5 grind while decades waiting decades to retire, wondering if they'll ever get time to truly live their lives. So I want to introduce you to a business model that you can make $900 a day. So, but what if I told you that there's a way to break free from that with this business model? A way to start a business that's fully automated, takes just 2 hours a day to earn you 900 or more. Whether you're completely beginner or have no experience in online business. This business does not require any technology skills. Oh my. Huge investments or endless hours of work. It's designed to be simple, flexible, and most important, profitable. So, how this works, right? It's a step-by-step breakdown here. So here's how it works. You set up an automated system that does the heavy lifting for you. All you need is to spend time around 2 hours a day managing it, and the system takes care of the rest, generating sales and income while you sleep. The beauty of the system is that it runs on autopilot. Once it's set up, it continues to work in the background, giving you the freedom to focus on what matters most, right? Your family, your passions, and just enjoying life. And the best part is you can get started today. There's no long learning curves, and you don't need a backup or a background in business. This is designed for beginners who want fast results. So imagine the life you could look like with this business. More time to spend with your family, travel, pursue your hobbies that you've put on hold, or no more worrying about ends meeting or being chained to that 9 to 5. The system has already changed lives. People just like you and I use it to quit their jobs, earn steady income, and enjoy the freedom they've always wanted. So I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, I understand if it's skeptical, but The system has proven to work for countless people who've started right where you are now, making zero. Going from 0 to 6 to 7 figures is not that hard. It's beginner friendly, easy to set up, and doesn't require huge investment. And the only thing that's really risky is waiting. Waiting to get started. It is just that easy. So if you're ready to make a change and start earning $900 a day and just 2 hours of workday, don't wait another day getting stuck in this routine of your 9 to 5 that is not working out for you anymore. If you're serious about taking control of your future, now is the time to act. This is your chance to build a life you've always dreamed of. So let's make it happen.